Hello students, in the last video we had started chapter 2 addition and subtraction, and in the last videos we covered the addition topic. Now in this video we are going to cover the topic of subtraction of 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Okay, subtraction of 3 and 4-digit numbers. Here I have taken an example of a 4-digit number. First of all, children, you are supposed to write ones, tens, hundred and thousand in each column, and then you are supposed to write the number given with the respective place. Okay, like 9 is on 1000 place, so we have written it under 1000. 6 is on 100 place, so it will be in 100 place, and 8 and 7 respectively on tens and ones place. Now the second number is 6234. And after subtracting, we are getting answer. Now, first of all, the terms related to subtraction, the number which is greater, from which a particular number is subtracted, that is called minuend, and the number which is subtracted means smaller number, from which which is subtracted from a bigger number is called subtrahend. And the answer which we get after subtraction is called difference. Now, what is the method that you have to subtract? How you have to subtract? First of all, you have to start with the ones column. I hope all of you know that you have to start always with the ones column. See children, how you have to start the subtraction? First of all, we have to start with the ones column. Here it is 7 and 4. We have to subtract 4 from 7. So my method is to, from 7 you have to go to the bigger number. Okay, from 4 you have to go to the bigger number. So here it is 4. We have to count till 7. 4 is there, no? 5, 6, 7. How many numbers are there? 3. So we have written 3 here. Now we have to go from 3 to 8. Now on the fingers 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. Now from 2 to 6 we have to go same way. 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 4. Now from 6 to 9 when you'll go, it is 7, 8, 9. It will be 3. So the method you have to do subtraction is this way. It is short method. Okay. So you all have to do it this way. Now there are some definition of minuend, subtrahend and the difference. Minuend is the larger number from which the smaller number is subtracted, means bada number. Bigger number is called the minuend. Subtrahend, the number which is subtracted, or we can say the smaller number which is subtracted from a bigger number. Difference, what is difference? The answer which we get after subtracting two numbers. The answer which we get after subtracting two numbers. Now exercise. Question number 1 is subtract the following. Here we have some questions. Few of the questions I will solve for you and rest you have to do yourself. Now here the numbers are already arranged in ones, tens, hundred and thousand columns. See, first one is 8888. The number is 6666. Now let us subtract this. We have to go from 6 to 8. Now 7, 8. In all the columns we have the same numbers, so it will be 2 in all. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Now B part you have to do yourself. C part yourself. Now D part I will do. This is little different because here we have to borrow. Now first of all we have to see ones column. Here we have to subtract 3 and 9. Means 9 we have to subtract from 3, which is not possible. So it has to borrow. It has to borrow from 9. Now when this 9 will give 1 to this number, it will become 8. We have to write it in the empty column which we have already kept here. Okay. Now 3 will become, when tens place will give 2, 3, it will become 13. Okay. Then 9 to 13 we have to go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 4. Then 8 minus 8 for the next column it will be 0. Then we have to go from 4 till 6. Means 6 minus 4. Directly also or orally also you can do. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Now 2 to 9 we have to go, or 9 minus 2 we have to do. So it is your wish how you want to do. We have to go from 3 to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? It is 7. Now E part. Here we have to subtract 7 from 2, which is not possible. So it will borrow from this 4. It will become 4 and it will become 12. Okay, this 2 has to borrow from 5, it will become 4 and 2 will become 12. Now let us subtract 12 and 7. See, we have to go from 7 till 12. So it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is 5. Now 4 minus 8, which is again not possible. So it will borrow from this 3. So it will become 2 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 8 we have to do, which is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which is 6. Now again 2 minus 9 not possible. So it will borrow from this 7. It will become 6 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 9, which is 3. Now 6 minus 3, 3. Now question number 2 is arrange the given numbers in the place value chart and subtract. Here we are given with two numbers which are not arranged. We have to arrange them first, then we have to solve. Now here I have written a note, always keep greater number at the top while subtracting. Keep this in mind that when we are subtracting, we have to keep the greater number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. Now let us arrange them. Here first of all we know that it is a 4-digit number, so we have to write the places till 1000. So in each column let us write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Leave this box for writing the new numbers after borrowing. Okay. Now 7135, 6287. Now we have to subtract 7 and 5. Now we cannot subtract 7 from 5, so it will borrow and this from this 3. This will become 2 and this will become 15. Now we have to subtract. We have to go from 7 till 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will become 8. Now 2 and 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 2, so it will borrow from this one. This will become 0 and it will become 12. So now 12 minus 8 is 4. Now again we cannot subtract 2 from 0, so it has to borrow from this 7. It will become 6 and this will become 10. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. This B part you have to do yourself. Now here it is a different question here. Here the numbers are given in the form of words. 4869, then 1373. Now here we have to find out that which one is greater and which one is smaller in the beginning itself. Like here I have written, also I have given an indication that this is greater number, this is smaller number. Because this way only you will be able to understand that which number has to be written earlier or first. Now here we have written the number given in words in numeral form. Now here 4869 and at the bottom we have to write 1373. Now after subtracting we have got 3496. Now D part, here it is given in the form of expanded form. See, 6000 plus 500 plus 3 ones. It is like expanded form. So first of all we have to write it in the number form, numeral form. Then we have to subtract. First number is 6503 ones. Okay, now this is 4000, means this is greater, so we will write this number on the top. Now 6000 mean on 1000 place it will be 6, 500 on 100 place it will be 5. Now tens place is not there, it will be 0, and ones place mean it will be 3. Now next is 4009 tens 9 ones. 4000 mean on 1000 place it will be 4. Now 100 place is vacant, not there, so it will be 0. Tens place 9 and then ones place again 9. Now after subtracting we got 2404. Now E part is same like this question, you have to do yourself. Now here is a statement type of question. Take away 110 from 700 and 510. 700 and 510 is same only, it is one number. So first of all we have to write 700 and 510. What will be the value of this? Now 700 is the highest place, so we have to write till 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. 700 mean on 100 place it will be 7. On tens place it will be 5 and ones place is 0. 110 means on tens place it will be 1 and on ones place it will be 0. And after subtracting we got 740. Now G part, take away 100 from 9800, 6 tens. You have to change this and then subtract. Do it yourself. Okay children, bye bye.